The internet is changing rapidly, and the world of affiliate marketing is changing right along with it. And as a result, it is becoming increasingly more difficult to find quality affiliates to promote your products. There are now so many big product launches now that reach out to just about every affiliate on the planet, offering joint venture partnerships on a silver platter. Today, affiliates can pretty much pick and choose which products to promote to their lists. So if you want a piece of the action, then you need to be ready to spoon feed these affiliates. You need to make it so simple for them to promote your product that all they have to do is literally just cut and paste the Buy Now button and email it to their list. And that's exactly where an automated affiliate tools page can really add value to your affiliate management system. But unless you are a programmer, creating an affiliate tools page like that can be difficult and time-consuming, which means it can be expensive to have it outsourced. It can easily cost you $100 just for one product page. Well, not anymore. Now the revolutionary WP Affiliate Surge plugin makes it simple and easy. Not only can you build a page with all of your affiliate tools included in just minutes, you can also provide these tools in a way that is super simple for your affiliates to use. They just enter their affiliate ID, press one button, and all of the tools are pre-populated with their unique ID. And getting up and running is painless. It just takes 3 easy steps. Step 1. Install the plugin through your WordPress admin panel. Step 2. Enter your license key to activate the plugin. Now drag and drop any number of tools to build your page. Select from Twitter tweets, email and article blocks, banner images, and even HTML blocks to customize your page. We even went over the top and added a PDF rebrander, so you can add PDF reports that your affiliates can rebrand and send to their customers, making your reports go viral. Step 3. After your tools page is built, simply add the shortcode to a page and publish it. Now all the affiliates have to do is enter their ID, press the Generate Affiliate Links button, and the content on the page becomes their very own. Even the rebranded PDF report is ready for them to download with the press of just one button. And you just sit back and watch the affiliate sales start coming in. Oh yeah, and the WP Affiliate Surge plugin works with most of the popular affiliate systems that issue a unique affiliate ID to affiliates. How cool is that? With the WP Affiliate Surge plugin, it couldn't be easier. Backed by our 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee, there is absolutely no risk to you. So there is no better time than right now to maximize the results of your affiliate program using the WP Affiliate Surge plugin. Go ahead, simplify the process, satisfy your affiliates, and sell more products. Click on the Buy Now button to get your copy now.